Namaskar. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today we have Dr. B.R. Guru Prasad. He is the very famous ISRO scientist who worked for 37 years, and from the ISRO, from there he came to Planetarium, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, as a director in 2023. And apart from that, he has written several books for the children to get inspiration from him, and so that they can take up astrophysics in their life. And then he has been a part of satellite mission planning, analysis, and operation for almost 25 missions. And apart from that, he has written several scientific articles, and he continues to be a teacher and teaches aerospace science and technology, and he is the editor of that journal. So welcome, sir.
Namaskar.
Yes.
Thank you very much, madam.
And this August happens to be very wonderful month, because we are going to have two eclipses, one solar eclipse and one lunar eclipse. So please explain to our viewers what is solar eclipse, what is lunar eclipse, and where it is seen and how it is seen, and the importance, sir. Please, sir, go ahead.
Namaskar to all of you. And yeah, indeed, it's a very special month, August 2026, because on August 12th, and as per Indian Standard Time, August 12th and 13th, leading to 13th, we have a total solar eclipse. And we have a partial lunar eclipse on August 28th, as per Indian Standard Time. But kindly note that both these eclipses are not visible to India. As per Indian Standard Time, I told you, just to understand. See, a solar eclipse occurs when moon comes in between the earth and the sun. All the three have to be in a straight line. Then only a lunar eclipse occurs. First there is sun, then there is moon, and finally there is earth. So moon comes in between sun and earth. So when this happens, moon casts two types of shadows. One very thick shadow. See here, this is a small portion. It is called umbra.
It's called umbra.
Yeah, on either side of it, there are what is known as penumbra. This is not a very shadow which is very thick. So when people who are in the umbral region, when they are when people inside this central shadow, which is very thick, they are seeing total solar eclipse. People in adjacent areas, which may stretch hundreds or even thousands of kilometers, they see a partial solar eclipse. So a solar eclipse happens on a new moon day, because you see, moon's unlit portion or non-lit portion is visible to earth, which is dark.
So the dark side is on our side, and the lighted one, the light is on the
illuminated one is on the other side.
Sun.
That is why it appears as though a black what
circle.
Can I say? A
black circle.
Black surface. No. A black body appears to cover the sun. Okay. If it totally covers the sun, it is the total solar eclipse. I'll show you this. If the disk of the moon completely covers the disk of the sun like this, it is called total solar eclipse. But what is this then? This is the outer atmosphere of the sun, called corona, it is called. Okay, corona means crown. Okay, this is the atmosphere of the sun. But the surface of the sun is totally cut out by the moon. This is a total solar eclipse. Sometimes, because of the geometry as to how far the moon is from the earth, based on that, you will see during a solar eclipse, it appears as though the moon covers only the central portion of the sun, only central portion. But the rim of the sun is still visible. This is called as an annular eclipse. That is, annulus means ring. Then sometimes you will see the sun covered by moon as though only a part of the sun is covered. It is called partial solar eclipse. So three types of solar eclipses are there. And this time, so this solar eclipse is a total solar eclipse, which is not visible to us. It starts at around 9 4, 4
So where
minutes
is it
past.
seen, sir? Which are the areas where it is seen?
Yeah. Now I'm seeing this, I'm showing this picture. You can see this path of totality. It is coming like this. This is Greenland, this entire thing. Can you see this? Greenland.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is Iceland. The small one is Iceland. Then this is Spain, and this is Portugal. So
Portugal.
it comes here over Greenland, southeastern, eastern, northern, eastern, and southeastern Greenland. Then western Iceland. Then over the North Atlantic. Then it comes to Portugal and Spain and exits over the Mediterranean. So total solar eclipse is seen by Greenland, Iceland, Spain, and Portugal for the most part, or for all practical purposes. But Western Europe,
we are very
Eastern
far
United
off, so
States,
we don't see at all. Okay.
No. Western Europe, Eastern United States and Canada, and West Africa. I'm in Northwest Africa. Sees only partial solar eclipse. So this is about the August 12th solar eclipse.
Okay, sir.
Then
what about the lunar eclipse, sir?
Yeah. August 28th partial lunar eclipse. You see, when Earth comes between the sun and the moon, it is the lunar eclipse. Okay. They have to be in a straight line, all the three. Okay.
Yes.
The sun, the earth, and the moon. Compared to the shadow cast by the thick shadow, umbra cast by the moon, the umbra cast by the earth is much larger compared
because
to the size of the moon.
Is big.
Yes. Size is big. Okay. This is the way it is. So because of that, when moon enters the umbra, the partial lunar eclipse starts, and when it is totally inside the umbra, total lunar eclipse is there.
Occurs. Okay.
When it is in the
nothing is seen.
When it is in the penumbra, okay, it is not a thick shadow, a very thin diffuse shadow. Here, when it is there, there is what is known as penumbral eclipse will be there, which you don't even notice.
Okay.
Because moon is dimmed very little. Okay. But this eclipse, August 28th eclipse, is starting at, let us say, 6:53 or something as per the Indian Standard Time in the morning. And it extends up to 12:30. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It is not visible.
We don't see the moon at all. Yes.
No. It is morning. Already sunrise would have taken.
Okay.
So both the eclipses are there in a single month, August 2026, but both are not, unfortunately, visible to India. And this total solar eclipse, I told you where it is visible, but this partial lunar eclipse, this lunar eclipse is a partial lunar eclipse in which about 95% of the moon enters the Earth's dark shadow, umbra, and roughly about 5% is still lit. That is not in the shadow. You can still see it. So moon, if you go to the place where it is visible, the eclipse is visible, the moon appears as though 5% of it is totally lit, but the rest of the moon will be a faint orangish glow it will have. Okay. Instead of dark.
Okay. So it will look like an orange disc.
Yeah. Okay. The thing is, it is okay. Still, it gives a bizarre appearance with which we are not familiar. Okay,
sir. So thank you very much, sir. And there are some. What you told is about the truth of the eclipse. What about the myths? What's your comment on the myths?
Myths are there in each and every civilization. See, if you look at any ancient civilization, not only ours, not only Vedic. You look at the Chinese, you look at the Sumerian, you look at the Babylonian, look at the ancient Greek civilization, you look at the ancient Roman civilization. All of them, they have their myths, not only with reference to eclipses, about many things they have myths. That myth is different. But all I would like to say is my concentration, my focus is towards this aspect. What is this aspect? The aspect is, see, these eclipses are the beautiful things, the beautiful phenomenon.
Nature,
very interesting phenomenon. Eclipse is a beautiful and very visually appealing phenomenon, which is given to us, provided to us at